You are looking at our 32W UV lamp designed to replace LightTech lamps in germicidal units. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz lamp. Labeling options are listed on her page on the website. Characteristics: the lamp has 2 ceramic soucles with 4 bins on one side. The power is 32 watts. Operating current is 0.8 A. Its radiating power is 10 watts. Lamp length 357 meter, arc length 270 meter, tube diameter 15, base diameter 90 meter. The service life is 11,000 hours. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packed in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety in transit and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for all types of germicidal systems: lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets and connectors. The inner surface of all our lamps is coated with a special UVL-LivePower Plus compound developed by our engineers. It prevents the mercury molecule from penetrating the quartz glass, extending the life of the lamp. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us by phone.